Title, title. Je l'entends de où? Title, hashtag, the list, hashtag, don't care about. Okay. Title. Okay. Okay. Text. Company, if location, public in comment below, and other links. Channel. Text. Other comments. Edit comment. Format. Job games. Subtitle. Domain, job, production, slug, yes. Okay, cool. Let's do this. Yes, interesting. Come on. So let's Boom, fast origin transfer. Yeah. Le truc, je pense qu'il est obligatoire que ce soit pote. Git push. Request. Created on one, so pull request here. No conflict. Let's go. Delete. Main. That's cool. Check on Versailles if it's going or not. This. Like this, yeah. Deployment queued. Yeah, there is a preview and then that. And I do this inside here. Boom. And it should work. This thing here. Just going to delete. Not this one. This one I don't need it. So just delete this one. Okay. Maybe I can put it in. Wait, magic would be better. I just finished this video too.
So we have integration pages, for example, Shopify. Like we integrate Shopify. So if we're looking for, if someone's searching for a Shopify AI blog, well, some of these AIs might recommend us because if they crawl our site, they know that they have all these info that we do X, Y, Z. We have feature pages. So people looking for features, the site crawls our AI to crawls our site and then is able to give all this info to the users. Users. We have, like I said, a blog with, I think, over 18 pages of content these LLMs can use to then recommend and crawling your site, recommend it to the users. So the trick here is any trick is to have a good SEO, like let's call it classic SEO, so be well positioned on Bing, well positioned on Google, and then a good social presence, right? Be on YouTube, be on Twitter, be on LinkedIn, be on Facebook. Twitter specifically because Brock heavily values Twitter posts. Of course, all these are biased, not necessarily biased in terms of information, but biased in terms of the weight they put in into where they gather information from. Hopefully that makes sense. And so this is just a trick. Have a good blog, write articles. And by the way, quick plug, Journalist Site can help you write all these articles for you, right? By the way, it's pretty cool. And there's a bunch more stuff like editing the content, linking. There's a bunch more stuff. But my goal is to sell on Journalist AI. It's to show you how to actually rank on AI search engines. Let's basically have good classic SEO because the recommendations and the citations these guys will give you will be based off of rankings on the classic search engines. Okay.
Be cool. Here like this. So the HTTP request, it will take credit like this, and if so, normally it will work like this. There is an error. Let me just save and refresh this page. So we have this thing, and we have it. Normally it should work. Yeah, it works. So we have the content text. Hashtag. We don't care about hashtags. We care about that. Hashtag. Reddit comments. That's good. And title. So there is text. And where is the title? This is the title. So this is the title. No. Hashtag Reddit comments. Okay. I'm not sure about that. Cartacon. 316, yeah. Because if I go to title, boom. So. I check the Reddit. Generate Reddit content. Let title. No. There should be a title. Oh. Text apps. Fuck. Here, I don't care about hashtags. So Reddit. I only care about a short title, the text, and the comment. Change that. Yeah, we don't care about the fucking hashtags. I didn't verify that. I thought it was also the title, but it's not. Okay. What did it change?
Okay, and based off of the info they can gather from all these different places. So just because now people are using this search, and maybe that means that they will not directly go to your blog post, right? Well, the info and the tools these guys recommend, right, will be based off of blog posts you wrote. So you still have to write. You still have to produce a blog post to be able to again be recommended here first. Be recommended here, I think first as well, and in the videos also in here as well. This is the way you recommend classic SEO. And for that, you can use this right here. By the way, just a quick play. We released pretty cool tool, excuse me. It allows you to optimize your site in Perk. In essence, it allows you to tell AI search engines and regular search engines what your site is about. If you go to blog automation, go to site optimizers, you can add an optimizer, which basically goes over, analyzes your site, and then gives you recommendations based on what it thinks you should fix. So it gives you, listen, hey, here's your current page style, and here's what I think you should change it to. And they'll tell you why. Hey, listen, I think you should change it from this to this because it X, Y, Z. If you just hit apply, right, to automatically have the AI agent apply the changes on your site. You can do this for page styles, descriptions, keywords, links, URL, and a bunch more stuff, images. And so basically you can just have the AI select all these and then apply and have the AI change all these for you. In essence, what it does is analyze your site and based on reasoning gives you the ways it thinks you should optimize your site and then tells you the why, and then you can either do it or not. And these small things go a long way into being recommended into the search engine.
Could be an idea. No way. Free articles. It's fucking expensive. It's per year, and per month 99. Yeah. Right, just seems to be done. Let me just check. So social really, we don't care. We care about Reddit. Please show me Reddit. Okay. So the comments, it was pretty great, but the Reddit jobs links, okay, it does this. Does it return links text? Links text, what? Okay, this is it for the wait, I generate Reddit content. Content written text. So what? Yeah, so great. Because maybe there is first maybe. Blog creation 3 months ago. How does it work? Okay, do a research query. I don't know how much does it cost. DevHire.ch API. Does it exist? Could you use? I hope so. Rate, limit, and usage pricing. So lightweight, cost effective, and such. Okay. Put this. Okay, $12 and you pay $14. 1,000 requests, I don't know. Non-reasoning and reasoning. Reasoning will be better, I think. It's pretty much the same price. So, maybe this one, I don't know. It's the same price basically. Output is why the reasoning seems to be like cheaper. Okay. And what is the rate limiting? I'm pretty sure. Okay, yeah, it's okay for my use case. Just to see how we do it. So you do this, perspective research, format research output, okay. Then you edit, then you show you. Look, okay. You have an AI agent, you have GPT, you have one chat message, okay, you have this. And then you have, okay, WordPress or whatever, and you send this. Tutorial, send email notification. Slack list, notify slash okay. Okay. It's pretty much the same, but maybe I could try this. Could be a great idea. Could ask some people for information about it. But I think it could work. We'll see. It's ready normally, so if I go back to this one and I just refresh this, it should be good. So we have this one. Let me just execute step. So we have job count, we have content text, hashtag we don't care, we have title, nice. We have character counts, and then we have the job links. With URL, title, company, location. Yeah, that's great, great URL. Okay, let's continue. So we need here an edit field. So we will duplicate this thing. So edit field. We just put it in the center right now. We can see better this. If true, like this, we have all this, and we are just going to yeah. So we have the content text. Then we will have also the content title. I could maybe just put text like this and just title, and I will put this one first. Will be better than title. Okay, then we will have also the rated comment. Yeah, this one is pre-rated comments like this. Is there any value that I need? Summary, don't care. Care, but that's it should be okay. We'll try like this. So we will have something like this, great. And then we will have the create post on this one. like this. So this is a text post, yeah. We'll do this, so the title will be this thing. You just delete this. We'll have the text right here inside the post. So this will work normally if we execute. Alright, let me just go to this one. This thing will be anywhere like this. Yeah, great. Just upload it. And now what I need to do is new Reddit. So Reddit is get up. Create a comment in a post. So I think the thing I will, maybe I don't need to get a post. Let me just create a comment in post. So post comment, post ID. Is it this thing? Not sure. ID font in the post URL. Okay, maybe I need to first get the post. Let me just read it. Get a post like this. So, yep, took post ID. Oh, it's this one. So subreddit. Let me just precise the subreddit for that. By the way, I don't need cloud anymore right now. Just close this. So let me just precise the subreddit for it. This one, I go to this. Normally I do this. This here. Should be okay. So get operation post ID like this. Operation get resource. What is this? Execute step. Okay, I've got it. And then I need to read it again. Create a comment in the post. Post ID. Where do I find it? Do I find it here? Found a link. Oh, maybe this thing. ID. I've got the ID here, but I'm not sure because post ID seems to be like. Yeah, it's more like this, I think. And the comment link should be the. I don't see the comments. I may. I might need to. Because it doesn't pass the data right here. We have the comments here. Maybe I need to split the data and pass it here. I could do that with maybe an edit field. Let me just check it. Duplicate. Put it here, put it right here. And let me just put the comments like this. Oh, I don't have it. Okay. Okay, no, it's more like not here. Oh, it doesn't delete. Oh, your ass, man. Dégage. Edit field, and I need the comment basically. It works like this. I just delete this thing, comments and this. And then I will pass this thing to here. So I will have all that. Just execute step. Execute previous node. Maybe I need to merge data into one. I think I do. Yeah, I do. So here I will need to merge this. And I think combine all will be a better solution. So let me put it here, delete this, put it here. Input 1 and input 2. Inside it, like this. Let's check how it looks. Okay, like this. There is the comments here. So comment like this, and let me just check here. So permalink and the comments right here. Let me check. Does it work? Okay. Probably not to check your credential. First comment. First comment. Okay, I can't on this account. Yes, I can. Normally I can with this account. Very weird. Okay, let me go back to this. So everything is working apart from that. Just tidy up a little bit. So it's the problem with the Reddit account. Okay. Like, I don't have the permission right here. Let me just check the what it's right here. Okay. Channel comments. Normally, let me just put everything for him. You have everything, every permission. Let me just save and refresh this page. Okay. Now it should work, but let's see. Forbidden. Why? In Node Reddit 2. What the fuck? Forbidden. It let me post, but it doesn't let me comment. Post comment. Maybe I need to specify another here. DevHire. If I only put the... I don't know if it's unique like this. If I put only the ID of the post, so this thing, basically, it's just... Oh, it works? Okay, doesn't... Does it work? This. Oh, nice, it works. Okay. Is it the good links? Yeah, seems to be good. Alright. Perfect. So my thing is working. I will approve this one. Let me just delete this one and the other one right here. So it's good, it's working. And now it should be working without any issue. So we have the schedule trigger for LinkedIn, like right here. And we have Twitter and Reddit. So amazing. Amazing. There is no more social I need to automate, I think. One thing that will be great is to automate the blog posting. Yeah, it could be fun. Be pretty fun. Oops. Sorry. So, Reddit is done. Now, how do I automate my blog post? So, just to see, I could have a table inside my database, and we could basically post every. Could do this? Maybe I can try to see if it's, because it's not worth this price, obviously. We'll see if it's improved the work. We'll do another workflow. Just I need to set up Perplexity AI API. Basically, I need this. I don't know. With account page. So we got my account page. Yeah, let me sign in. Great. Hope it doesn't require any API. Nice. Let me just enter this on the screen. I'm going to close this because okay. See the center. We see it well. Yeah, we see it well. Nice. Let's just do this. So it will be like automation API. Save address. Okay, I can do card or okay. You're gonna try just. Okay. Try with this. Try to use this card to be better. So this one. Okay, I can buy some credits. I'm gonna try just to buy like $5 of credits. See, I just add $5 to it. Oh, chill out. See, Jeff. Oh, chill out. Right, yeah. Oof. Just gonna add like, yeah, $5 is great. Right now, yes. So wait, maybe I need to verify it inside the app. Okay, it worked. So only it will be $5 waiting. Okay. Yeah. So with this and then API key. Yes. Okay. Normally I have the grids. Just didn't show right now. So just to be sure the workflow, I don't need this window anymore. I'm just going to go on this. Just let me go back to this one. So So the workflow for this, you use this, start with research query submission. I think it's like you can maybe add something inside, it could be great. So the workflow will be like, let me just write inside some notes, some new workflow, automate blog post on DevHire. Okay, DevHire, this. So let me just add some sticky note to be sure I understand everything. Workflow. So what you will do is first, one, receive an ID through something. It could be I'm pretty confident with Telegram bot, so maybe Telegram bot or Slack. No, I don't really care about Slack, I prefer Telegram. So you receive an ID. Two, in the workflow proposed, it was Perplexity research. So you add Perplexity to Perplexity better API to do some research. Three, you will have, not this one, sorry, this one, you just keep it like this. You will have, we'll see better here, format research, so that's an edit. So 3, you edit the field. 3, edit the fields to get only what you like or want. So like this, then the fourth option will be workflow computer. Set your variable here, edit workflow variable. I'm not sure this is really useful because I'm not doing something that complex like him. For example, does it work? Yeah, it works. So what he's doing is doing all that. I'm not sure I don't need all that, by the way. Like, I'm not sure this is very useful. I don't need this, I need to use Supabase, would be way better. Notion, I don't care, I think. Notion could be useful, maybe. Notion could be useful. Email, I don't need at all. Slack, I don't need, so it will be pretty easy. And yeah. This one. Yes, cool. Perfect. So we'll have access to my API key later. For what's use case for the AI agent? Did he put it here maybe? Changing topics, slow down the content pipeline, yeah, okay. Formatting, publishing and promoting across multiple platforms takes effort. This will automate the entire process from research to publication. Okay, content edit form input. GPT create a short SEO optimized article. Okay, so GPT take the info from Perplexity and create an article. Okay, would be great. So GPT takes from what Perplexity have done. And what did he say? He said like GPT create a short SEO optimized article. Okay, let me just paste post to content. So it will be, maybe it will be better to post it to like Supabase directly, and maybe I need to add something else, like I need to like approve the article to post it. It will be better. So we'll have the workflow, so we will publish it inside blog table, super base, 6. Need to approve the article before publishing it. Parameter. Once it's approved, once it's approved, the status change from draft to approved, and once it's approved, published, or maybe directly published. We maybe don't need push status and calls for that. Maybe only one call would be better. Okay, so you receive an ID. Remy did like he imported directly this community node MCP. Why do you need MCP for that? Self as a yeah MCP. What's Newton node MCP? Model contact yeah. Yeah, okay, but do you really need it for FPC? Why do you need it? Why use it? Is it this thing? Like this? Maybe these things? Oh, it's tools, so maybe it's doing something with the tools. Oh, okay. How do I use it for free? Okay. Let me just check how it looks like. Can I just paste it here? Okay, nice. And here. Why? What is this? Okay. Okay, cool. Nice. So I do this, I use this model and I do something. And just the form before, how does it look? Newton 222 form test. Let me just check. Form triggers and listening. Click on. Okay, let me just execute step. Ah. How do I install this thing? Go to settings, community node, settings. Settings, save, community nodes. Let me just repeat this package. Yes, that's good. Install Newton node MCP. Yeah, I know it's cool. It's installed. Nice. How does it look, the item? Oh, I prefer the dark one. User, nice. API controller. Oh, pretty great. Yeah, I'm going to show that. So I have this thing. If I just execute step, what's going on? Does it work like this? Oh. Okay, you work. Very good. How is GPT working? Okay, I just wanna see it submit like this. Here. Oh, that's great. Okay. Okay. We have this. I'm going to make a pause. Yeah, YouTube. Oh, that's great. Okay. Okay. We have this. I'm going to make a pause. Nice, Mike.